Many reasons exist why a garage door will cease working. You could possibly notice that your garage door has problems going up or down. It may also go up at an angle, or else you may struggle to open or close the entranceway in any way. In some cases, this will be a mechanical issue that needs an adjustment. In other circumstances, you may want to have your electrical system repaired or replaced. Because of this, it really is appropriate to get hold of a local garage door repair business. For this reason, you should think of contacting my company, Dorval Garage Door Remote Roxbury NJ, should you be experiencing these problems.